Today, I'd like to thank all of you that have subscribed, all of you that watch my videos, all of you that comment, and that's actually the most important part, that interaction and hearing about, your personal stories and opinions and audio setups and music you like to listen to. And the reason that I'm saying thank you today is, frankly, I don't pay a lot of attention to subscriber counts or view numbers or whatnot. I mean, there's some people here at Axiom, yes, that do. I personally don't. I read the comments. I try to respond to the comments where there are, questions. Because that's the most important thing to me, is that interaction. And it's important not only because, with what's going on in the world now, it's nice to have communication with people, many of which that, I don't know, from different parts of the world. And it also gives me a lot of great ideas for new video topics. We could talk all day long, every day or every week, another, video on woofers and speaker parts or whatever, but I find that, listening topics, how you listen, music discussions, concerts, all that, really important. So I'd like to again just say thank you, as we're nearing, as I'm told, 5,000 subscribers, which is absolutely incredible, and I really do appreciate it. Now, to celebrate that, I'm going to be giving something special away. It's not going to be a physical, tangible thing, that you're going to get in the mail, but I think that, it's a fairly decent prize. I think many of you would be really excited. Now, I'm not going to reveal what that is, but we're going to draw from the people that comment in this video once we hit those 5,000 subscribers. So if you'd like to take part in this, virtual lottery for, again, not a physical thing, please comment below. Maybe if you'd like to comment, say what the first video of mine that you watched. And as always, if there's a topic that you'd like to see, please add that below. But again, I really, really appreciate it, and I hope to continue with videos that you're interested in, so keep those topics coming. Thanks for watching.